As I promised y'all, what's good y'all? Today we're gonna be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A16. I just got this phone today. This is going to be my new secondary phone. Secondary main phone, I guess. It came with a free case. So let's unbox it, y'all. Yeah, here's the phone. This is all paperwork and everything. Here's the phone, y'all. I installed a screen protector and I set the phone up. Yeah, at the mall. So yeah, don't mind me, y'all. That's pretty much it, y'all. Just the phone case. I'm gonna unbox that. Look. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, and we're gonna make a review on this phone after I'm gonna be using it for a while. Alright, y'all. Peace.